Say hi, girl. Uh-oh. Don't be falling over. Say hey. She was a custom. Say I was a custom. My TT did me. Yes, he did. Hey. Say hey, everybody. All right, you ready to get put together, girl? Don't get to acting up on. Yeah. Girl, give me that pass. Cause y'all know they gotta do the most. Why they gotta do the most? Say why they gotta do the most, y'all? I don't know, TT. I don't know. Okay. Hey, give me that back. Say no, TT. No. No, 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 no. Uh-oh. I use polyfill and glass beads for Wayne. Uh-oh. But it was earlier today. So that's cool. Because I woke up really early this morning. Man. Okay, where's my diaper? Where's my diaper? I'm assembling custom Rossin. She was a custom. So, mommy was a real pleasure to work with. So, yes, she was. Yes, she was, little noob. Y'all know I don't really be doing these little itty babies. But I do sometimes. So, I was a little bitty thing. Yes, you is, girl. Yes, you is. Okay. Say, okay. There we go. Say, there we go, mama. Alright, hold on. Alright, come on, mama. Jam on, mama. Say, hey. Put a headband on her. She is a little mama. Say, I is a little mama. Yeah. Hey, girl. Hey, mama. Hi. Hi. Let me think. Hey, mama. Let me think. Okay. And there she go, y'all. This is Reborn Baby Doll I hope I'm saying the name right. If I'm not, sculpture, I apologize. But it's Rossin. And her mommy wanted her hair rooted like this. So she has that thin look. You'll see it once I actually comb it. Hey, Munchkin. Hi, Munchkin. Okay, hold on. Hold on, girl. You ready? Don't you drop that pacifier. It's my special day. Hey, 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 hey. It's my special day. Oh, 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 oh. It's my special day. Hey, 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 hey. Welcome, Reborn Baby. Yay!
If you want a baby, you can just go to babykidsunlimited.com. You can check out her Facebook at Baby and Kids Unlimited Reborn Nursery.
That's right. In my Instagram.
If you want to see what she be doing on Instagram, you can go to Baby and Kids Unlimited.
TikTok.
Baby and Kids Unlimited.
Pinterest.
She don't got one. She do not got Pinterest. She do not got one.
Why you don't think I have a Pinterest?
Because you don't even.
And now, if I show you I got a Pinterest, I want $20.
Why you always
Deducted.
Dang, why you always trying to gamble something?
Because you don't believe me.
You always
If I show you I got a Pinterest, I want $20.
You know $20 so you go upstairs and make an email address and the password.
No, you can look and see when I signed up.
I'm not finna do all that. I'm finna keep my little $20. I'm finna go get me some Wendy's.
And
I'm finna make sure they put.
Why? Because you know your mother don't lie?
No, but you don't lie?
No.
You don't, Mom.
Niche.
Mom.
Niche.
Mom.
Niche.
You don't lie?
No. What I lie about?
I ain't even going to expose you.
Whatever.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.